Welcome back guys, Sulfin here. So today we're doing another unboxing and this is going to be the biggest box unboxing that we have done. Yesterday we unboxed a monitor, 28-inch monitor, and that box was huge, but this is even bigger. So this is the Cosmos C700P and it's a massive computer case, and we're going to unbox it to see how it looks like. So I have my kitchen knife right here, because I still can't find my regular knife, but it's alright, it works. So we're actually going to start unboxing it from the top. I have no idea how to start because this thing is taking up the whole frame. So let me go ahead and open it up from the top. This is actually how they shipped it with this box. Okay, so as soon as you open up the box, you can see that it comes with a little box. So we get to do another unboxing inside of a box. Accessory box. Let me get a little closer to the camera so you can actually see what's going on. So we have zip ties, screws, I think this is a cleaning cloth, and it looks like a fan header. Yeah, it looks like a fan connection for the case fans, and we have something else. Ooh, it's a little heavy. Okay, so I have no idea what this is, but I guess we'll find out later. So let me go ahead and close this box and set it aside. Okay, so this is just to protect the case during shipping, so let me put that aside. We have the manual at the top. Let me put this aside, we don't need it right now. But we'll need it if we're gonna build a computer later today. Okay. This is gonna be really hard to take out. Okay. So there's nothing else in the box. That's it. I'll put this aside. Actually, I don't think you can see it. Let me see if I can put something underneath. Okay, so here we have the case. And all it has is some sort of plastic covering on it. So I'm just going to cut it off. This case weighs a little over 30 pounds, I think. Okay, so let me get the camera a little close. So at the front you can see that we have, let me focus, four 3.0 USBs and the 3.1 USB-C. We also have a microphone and a headphone hookup, and I believe that this front panel does come off. Okay, so at the top we actually have some space for some fans. Right up here we can remove this and install some fans up here. This side panel opens up fully so that you can kind of customize the cables back here. This box, I think it's a fan controller right here. So let me close this door. So you don't have to use any screws or anything. You just open it up. and I think it's magnetic. Feels like it. And this side panel also opens up. Hold on, let me open up the other panel so that we can get some light in here. Okay, so here we have a fan back there, an exhaust fan. And up front, it's kind of hard to see, but I do believe that the case says that there's supposed to be 2 fans up here, and you can install an extra one, but it's really hard to see because of the lighting. It's kind of disappointing that they didn't fill them up with 3 fans, but you know, what can you do? So down here, you just remove this to install the power supply unit. And let me go ahead and pause it for a second so that I can show you the back. Okay, so this is the back of the computer case. And the lighting isn't very good, but you can see the exhaust fan right here. You can see the PCIe expansion slots. And you can also see a slot to place the power supply unit. So this is pretty much it. I do need to set it up first before it actually turns on. It doesn't have anything in it. So I'll keep you updated with this. Remember to like this video and subscribe, and I'll continue this series.